Okay, now for the boss death we need to disable a lot of things. So first we need to stop the attack system of our boss when he's dead. So let's go to the boss health script. Okay, now let's call this public boss controller. It's going to be our boss controller. Oops. Boss controller. Okay, that is good. Now let's but we're going to call, okay, it's good for me. So let's say boss controller is equal to game object dot find the boss, and then dot get component is going to be our boss controller. Okay, great. And now let's go to the boss death function, and then here we're gonna say boss controller dot boss awake is going to be false. Okay, now we need to disable the collider. So let's make a new variable. So it's going to be a private capsule capsule collider. That is going to be our capsule. I made this bad. Is capsule collider. Okay, so it's going to be our capsule collider. Okay, next private box collider, and this is gonna be the weapon collider. Next our private sphere collider for the head trigger, that is going to be the trigger collider. Okay, now for the initialization we need to say, okay, our capsule collider is going to be equal game object. Let's just take this part of the code, copy and paste it. So game object find, this is going to be his capsule collider. Okay, great. Now for the weapon collider is going to be equals to, I'm going to paste game object find boss, and then get component in children, that is going to be our box collider. Okay, and I'm going to take this code, copy, and next for the trigger collider is going to be equals to get object find boss get component children, and this is going to be our sphere collider. Great. Now let's go to our boss death function and say, okay, our capsule collider dot enable is equals to false. Then our weapon collider dot enable is going to be equals to false. Then for our trigger collider enable dot enable equals to false. Okay, so let's now save the script and let's go to our game to preview our game. So let's kill the boss. Okay, I'm going to kill you right now with my bare hand. Okay, one, and another, two, and another one. Okay, and the last one. Okay, didn't you die? Okay, now is that okay? So Now there's a lot of things that we disable, so it's great. We're almost finished. So in the next lesson, we're going to work with some final details. Oh, what is happening right here? So we need to stop the attack. So we need to stop the particle emissions. So let's do it right now. Okay, let's go to our boss health, and let's say, okay, private system, particle system is going to be our particle system. Okay, and let's initialize this. Okay, our particle system is going to be equal that game object dot find our rock ps dot get component is just get component, and we're gonna say particle system. Okay, so great. Now let's go to our boss is dead, and okay, so particle system dot enable emission is going to be false. Okay, let's save the code and let's see once more if we just fix that issue. Okay, let's go right here. Boom and boom. Okay, now you are dead. So okay, great. Boss attack 1 is not happening. So great. I've done that. Great. Okay, so in the next lesson, so we're going to make some final details. So I'll see you guys in the next video.